Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to another episode of View Jersey and another installment of Seth's Bucolic sites. Today we're going to be exploring the Brooksbrae Terracotta factory. This location is one of my favorite places to visit in New Jersey. I've been coming here for years with my brothers and friends, and I even filmed a music video here years ago. It's a unique spot, and it definitely has an interesting history, so I'm excited to take you through it today. Let's check it out. The factory was built in the early 1900s and was meant to produce thousands of bricks a day. But before the plant became fully functional, its owner, William J. Kelly, died in 1908. And due to problems with his will, his estates were frozen and the factory was shut down. In 1915, the labor workers from the Central Railroad of New Jersey went on strike near the factory. An older couple was asked to come stay and watch over the place in hopes that it would deter strikers from vandalizing the property. And on a cold winter night, they started a fire to keep warm, but they hadn't checked that the chimney had been cleaned. And this resulted in the factory catching fire, and they were both killed inside. After the death of its owner, the caregivers, and the fire that took place here, the factory never resumed production. It is, however, a popular spot for local graffiti artists, as you can see, and urban explorers. What remains of the factory today is a haunting reminder of the building's dark and troubled past. But despite its eerie appearance, it is a beautiful and unique landmark tucked away deep in the pines. Alright everybody, thanks for tuning in to another episode. If you liked today's video, make sure you give it a like. And if you haven't already done it, subscribe to our YouTube channel at View Jersey. Follow us on Instagram at View_Jersey. And if you come to any of the locations that we've taken you to, be sure to tag us in your pictures so we can follow you on your adventures while you follow us on ours. Thanks again.